Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. For this video I've done some deep research about Sovrn, how you can make money with this paying advertising network, also how it works, the eligibility, withdrawal, and many more important subjects about Sovrn. If you like it, you can subscribe and turn on notification bell because I'm posting every day. So let's get started. First, I want to say what is Sovrn. Sovrn is an US-based digital advertising network with the headquarters at Boulder in Colorado, USA. Sovrn supports CPM model in the ad network with higher rates. Sovrn also have office in New York and London in UK. Sovrn is specialized in ad tech, ad exchange, ad serving, header building, yield optimization, demand side, and supply side platform. Sovrn was established as Federated Media and Legit. Later, this network was sold to LLN Media in January 2014 and it became Sovrn. It started to work as advertising program of LLN Media. Sovrn got fame with audience measurement company Quantcast declared Sovrn among their top 5 largest advertising network in 2014. So you may wonder how it works. Sovrn provides strong advertising tools to monetize users' content. Users just have to sign up to Sovrn right here .com and add their domains. Sovrn provides them advertising tools. Publishers just have to add tools to their website. Sovrn provides waterfalling ad tags to help publishers increase their CPM yielding. Publishers can join Sovrn for free. Sovrn have strong tools and fast S2S bidding to compete with Google Ad Manager, 2060's open bidding, Amazon's header bidding suite, TAM, which means transparent ad marketplace, and even pre-bid server. Sovrn offers custom and open source connections for search relevance. Websites with small tier traffic also do well with help of the tools. As a safety, if it's trusted, well, Sovrn is verified by joint industry community for web standards. For anti-fraud, and it holds status of gold standard by Interactive Advertising Bureau IAB for premium advertising. This makes Sovrn a safe brand to work with. For helping publishers with the solution of tracking and managing, Sovrn use Meridian software that is Sovrn's in-house platform. As the eligibility and the limit, well, Sovrn.com do not ask for any traffic requirements. This helps new and struggling publishers who are looking for ad revenue network. However, any website with adult, with racist or with violent, profane content or malicious software schemes like investment/pyramid will not be accepted. Sovrn.com only supports English language, unfortunately, and the only con known about Sovrn.com as they change their rules anytime and publishers have to update themselves. As a withdrawal, payments are sent to publishers by different methods. PayPal and wire transfer are gateways for international publishers, while US publishers get paid via ACH, which is direct deposit, check, and e-check. The minimum withdrawal is $10 via PayPal and $50 via other methods. Payment is sent at the frequency of 19 days after the end of the month. So now let's take a look on their website right here. More changing to do your thing. You can learn more by clicking here. You can see some screenshots of the platform advertising analytics, where you can see your total revenue. You can grow your ad revenue, connect with buyers that value your unique inventory. All of your affiliate revenue efforts are here. You can enhance your readers' shopping experiences by offering multiple retailer options, and increase visitor engagement, improve the shipping experience, and boost affiliate revenue. Also, if you want to learn more about Sovrn, you can click here on these links, go to About, here is why you can choose Sovrn. So we have only one tool set combining advertising, affiliate marketing, and data technologies. You have real-time granular data across all your revenue opportunities in one platform. This is the world's largest online data collective. Compete at scale, conquer complexity with clarity and insight. So yeah guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, you can subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic, and you can also comment in the comment section down below your thoughts about this topic, your questions, and I will make sure to answer to your questions, to your comments as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.